The thing about this new Shepherd Lab space is it's going to create the flagship area for visual computing that will bring students and alumni and guest speakers with people coming in to interact with computers and data, the latest AI, all these new technological trends, but to interact in a way that also privileges the human in those interactions. This is so special. We work on real problems. We work on problems that matter to society. Forest fire spread, predicting future climate scenarios. So our work is all about being able to put doctors and engineers, radiologists into the three-dimensional situations where they're immersed together with the 3D data that they're studying to analyze these super complex data sets. As humans, we want to interact with computers and each other in ways that are much more natural.
What we do in data visualization is hope to have people explore and see and really feel more of their data so they can ask better research questions. We investigate the complex relationship between humans and computers and utilizing data to bring us together.
If I could design the perfect virtual nature environment to support a sense of restotiveness and well-being, what would the characteristics of that environment be? Contact with nature and environments that support life can be really restorative to people, both in terms of improving physical health and also mental health. But not everybody can have access to nature at all times. Put on a virtual reality headset and be just someplace better.
What we're doing, the way we're bringing art and computing together to create these visual experiences, this is unique in the world.